Good evening, my dear students. Today we are discussing about the enzymes and its classification. So first we discuss about the enzymes. So what is the enzyme? Enzyme is a biocatalyst. Enzyme is a biocatalyst. Biocatalyst. So what is the biocatalyst? What is the importance of the biocatalyst and what is the enzymes? So enzyme is a simple what is a biocatalyst. So what is the biocatalyst? The catalyst is defined as a substance that increase the velocity. Substance increase the velocity. Increase the velocity is known as catalyst. Is known as catalyst. Or increase the velocity or increase the rate of reaction. Increase the rate of reaction. Increase the rate of reaction is known as biocatalyst. Is known as biocatalyst. What is the enzyme? Enzyme is a biocatalyst. What is the catalyst? Biocatalyst is defined as it is a increase the velocity or increase the rate of reaction. So indirectly, enzyme definition is a enzymes are involved in the increase the rate of reaction is known as enzymes. So what is the literal definition of enzymes? So enzyme may be defined as a biocatalyst synthesized by the cells. Enzyme is defined as a biocatalyst. It is synthesized by the living cells. Synthesized by the living cells. Synthesized by the living cells. So they are the protein in nature. They are the protein in nature. They are the protein in nature. And the next one, colloidal and thermolabile in character. Colloidal and thermolabile in character. Colloidal and thermolabile in character. Thermolabile in character. And the specific their action. And specific in their action. Specific in their action is known as enzymes. So what is the enzyme definition? Enzyme is a biocatalyst. It is synthesized by the living cells, and synthesized by the living cells it is the protein in nature, colloidal and thermolabile in character, and specific in their action. What is the catalyst? Catalyst is a increase the velocity or increase the rate of reaction is known as enzymes. Simple word. What is the simple definition of enzymes? Enzymes is a defined as a involved in the increase the rate of reaction is known as enzymes. So the enzymes, what is the classification of the enzymes? So the enzymes are mainly classified into two types. The enzymes are mainly classified into two types. Depends upon the action, depends upon the functions, or depends upon the action. The enzymes are classified into two types. What are their? Intracellular enzymes and extracellular enzyme. Intracellular enzyme and extracellular enzymes. What is the intracellular enzyme? They are functional within the cells. These called as within the cell when they are the synthesized. What is the importance of the enzymes? It increases the rate of reaction. So the enzyme activity, the enzyme function within the cell only. Within the cell only is known as a intracellular enzyme. What is the extracellular enzyme? The enzyme functions at the outside of the cell. Outside of the cell is known as extracellular enzyme. Intracellular enzyme and extracellular enzyme. The next one. So one more classification. The enzymes are classified into six types. The enzymes are classified into six types. So the enzymes are classified into six types. The six types is depends upon the six types are the classified depends upon the IUB system. So IUB system. What is the IUB? International Union of Biochemistry. International Union of Biochemistry. It is classify the enzymes into six categories. Classified the enzymes into six categories. What are there? First one is oxidoreductase enzyme. Oxidoreductase enzyme. Oxidoreductase. And second one, first one is oxidoreductase. Second one, transferase. And third one, hydrolase. Third one, what is the third one? Hydrolase. And what is the fourth one? So fourth one is the isomerases. And the next one, fifth one, liases. 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 And what is the sixth one? What is the sixth one? Ligases. Liases and ligases. So first we discuss about the oxidoreductase. So what is the oxidoreductase? The enzyme are involved in the oxidation and reduction reaction. The enzyme, the oxidoreductases enzyme classification involved in the oxidation reactions and reduction reaction. What is the oxidation? So the addition of the O2 molecule, elimination of the hydrogen molecule. What is the reduction reaction? Addition of the hydrogen molecule, elimination of the oxygen molecule is known as reduction. In this both condition, oxidation condition, reduction condition, the enzymes are involved in the oxidation and reduction reaction is known as oxidoreductase enzyme. So the oxidoreductase enzyme, what is the examples of the oxidoreductase enzyme examples? So alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. Alcohol dehydrogenase enzyme. What is the chemical reaction of the oxidation and reduction reaction? For example, AH2 oxidation, AH2 react with the B compound. It produces A and BH2. This one is the oxidation reaction and this one is called as a reduction reaction. So what is the reduction? The elimination of the hydrogen molecule or addition of the O2 molecule is known as oxidation. The addition of the hydrogen molecule, elimination of the oxygen molecule is known as reduction. In here, elimination of the hydrogen molecule from A compound to B compound. So that's why this is called as a oxidoreductase enzyme. So the next one, transferase enzyme. Transferase enzyme means the enzyme involved in the catalyze the transfer of functional group only. It catalyze the transfer of only functional groups. By the transferase enzyme. Examples is the hexokinase enzyme. So what is the transfer? What is the example of this particular transferase group? For example, A and X. X is the functional group. React with the B compound. The transferase means only transfer of the functional group. So A compound is here plus B and X compound is produces. So this is called as a group transferase example. So especially the functional group is transferred from one compound to other compound is known as a transferase. The next one we discuss about the hydrolysis enzyme. The enzyme is a bring about only hydrolysis of various compounds. So the hydrolysis means these are the enzymes are the bring about hydrolysis of various compound. Various compounds is known as hydrolysis. So what is the example of the hydrolysis enzymes? And hydrolysis is the lipase. Example is the lipase. The next one, pepsin also. Lipase and pepsin. What is the chemical reaction? Of the hydrolysis? So the hydrolysis is the A and B compound bring about water molecule. The water molecule is splitting into H plus and OH minus. The H plus is added to A compound, AH, and as well as the OH is added to B compound. So BOH is produces. So what is the definition of the hydrolysis? Bring about hydrolysis of various compound. Especially hydrolysis means hydrolysis. Lysis means separation. Hydro means water molecule. Water molecule is separated and added to the A and B compound. It produces AH and BOH. The next one, isomerases. So what is the isomerase? The enzyme is involved in the all isomerization reaction. So first we discuss about the isomerases. So what is the isomerism? So same molecular formula, but different in the but different in their structure only. Different in their structure only is known as a isomerism. The isomerization enzyme is involved in the isomerization enzyme is involved in the all the isomerization reaction. All the isomerization reaction means what is the isomerization? Same molecular formula in a compound, same molecular formula, but different in their structure is known as a isomerism. What is the example? For example, A compound, it converts to A compound only, but dash. So same molecule, here only A and here only A. Same molecular formula, but internally different in their structure. What is the example of the isomerization example? What is the isomerization example means? What is the isomerization example means? Triose phosphate isomerase. Triose phosphate isomerase. So what is the example? For example, C4H10. For example, C4H10. So the C4H10 having the two structures. So what is the C4H10 structure? CH3, CH2, and here CH2, CH3. Totally how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. How many hydrogens? 10. So 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 3. Total 10. C4H10. Or here CH3, CH, CH3, and here also CH3. So how many carbons? 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. How many hydrogens? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 9 and 10. So it is a normal structure, it is the isomerization structure. So this normal structure is converts to isomerization structure involved the isomerization enzymes. So this is about isomerism. The next one we discuss about the liases. We discuss about liases. So what is the liases? The enzyme are specialized in the addition or removal of water molecule or ammonia or carbon dioxide. So these are the involved in the specialized in the addition or removal of only water molecule, ammonia, and carbon dioxide and etc. compounds. So these compounds are involved in the addition either elimination by this which enzymes? Liases enzymes. So what is the example of the liases enzyme? Aldolase or aldolase. So what is the example? What is the chemical reaction? So A and B compound react with a X and Y. So in this condition, this plus means addition. This is called as a addition reaction. So in here AX BY, it produces the AX plus BY is produces. So this is called as a elimination reaction or removal reaction. So this is the addition or elimination, removal of only water molecule, ammonia or carbon dioxide, any other compounds is known as a liases. And sixth classification is the ligases. So what is the ligases? The enzyme catalyzes the synthetic reaction where two molecules are joined together and by utilization of the ATP. So in here, what is the ligases? Ligases is just involved in only synthetic reactions. Only involved in the synthetic reaction. So what ligases words derived from a Greek word. What is the ligate? So ligate means to bind. So in there where two molecules are joined together by utilization of ATP energy. So in here only addition reactions occur. It is only involved in the synthetic reactions only joining together by utilization of ATP molecule is known as a ligases. So example, what is the ligases example? Glutamine synthase. Example is the glutamine synthase. glutamine synthase. So what is the chemical reaction? What is the chemical reaction? A and B, A and B react with the B, it produces the A and B. So what is the reaction? Only addition, there is no having any elimination. A and B, it produces A and B compound. A and B, A react with the B, it produces A and B compound produces. So the next one, it is the synthetic reaction. It is only involved in the only synthetic reaction, and as well as the two molecules are joined together. So and by utilization of ATP energy, ATP is converts to ADP and PI. ADP and PI. This is about the ligases. So this is the classification of the enzymes. Enzymes is the definition, and one is the functional classification, and second one is the IUB classification. It is divided into 6 types. So this is about enzyme classification and the introduction of the enzymes. Introduction of the enzymes and its classification. So if you have any doubts, tomorrow we will discuss later.